one of those who were involved in the founding of this festival. The former governor, Mr. Nanok, came to me and suggested that he wanted to start something of this nature. And I told him that is really welcome. I encouraged him, and I was here at the first festival, culture festival. From that time onwards, I've come consistently each and every year, except last year, because of the confusion that was reigning in the country. And it is always a good opportunity to meet and talk with people from Turkana. I usually come and stay more than one day. This festival, of course, is one of its kind, and it's being people from the region, the people who come from Ethiopia, some come from South Sudan, then from Uganda, and even from far away. So it's a very good cultural event. As you know that this region of East Africa is actually now known as the cradle of mankind, that mankind actually originated from here. The first species of humanoid has been found here in Turkana. And I've been to that site of Mr. Leakey, with the late Richard Leakey, several times. And he has taken me through his research work which he was doing in conjunction with the University in California and the UK. And it is actually amazing what is here. And that's the reason why each time I talk to people, foreigners who come here say, welcome home, because this is where the humanity actually started before it spread to other continents. That's what makes this place actually very unique. But I also know that this region actually has serious economic challenges. This area has suffered economic neglect for a long time. From the colonial days, this used to be part of what used to be known as NFD, the Northern Frontier District. It was completely excluded from development. And the subsequent independent government continued that marginalization. Remember when I was the Prime Minister, I'm the one who came up with a minister for arid and semi-arid lands, and appointed Mr. Elmi to lead that ministry. That's when we started what you